Europe's experience of cold depends on several factors, but the main reason for colder spells boils down to air circulation and prevailing winds. Firstly, Europe's location plays a role. Sitting in the northern hemisphere, it receives less direct sunlight during winter months compared to regions closer to the equator. This natural phenomenon reduces overall temperatures. However, Europe benefits from a warm ocean current called the Gulf Stream, which brings warm water from the Gulf of Mexico up along the western coasts. This current acts like a giant heater, particularly for regions like the British Isles, making their winters milder than they would be otherwise. Despite the Gulf Stream, Europe can still experience cold snaps. High-pressure systems over areas like Siberia can push frigid air westward. When these high pressures are strong and persistent, they can bring extended periods of cold weather across much of Europe. Another factor influencing Europe's cold spells is the North Atlantic Oscillation now and the Arctic Oscillation AH. These large-scale atmospheric patterns affect wind circulation and can sometimes disrupt the normal flow of warm air from the Atlantic towards Europe, allowing colder air masses to penetrate further south. The influence of climate change adds another layer of complexity. While Europe experiences cold spells naturally, global warming may play a part in how often and how severe these events become. Some studies suggest that climate change might alter weather patterns in ways that could lead to more cold extremes in certain regions. Overall, Europe's cold spells are a result of interplay between geography, ocean currents, atmospheric pressure systems, and potentially climate change. Understanding these factors helps us predict and prepare for periods of colder weather.